Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to submit a zero-income tax return online. Access the official tax website and sign in with your credentials. Choose the zero-income return option and follow prompts to enter your personal details. Verify that income fields are blank or zero and add any required ID information. Review the summary carefully, electronically sign the submission, and download or screenshot the confirmation. Before you start filing, collect the essentials so the process is smooth and fast. Ensure your taxpayer ID, social security number, and a valid ID are ready as digital files. Check for possible exemptions or credits you might still qualify for even with no income. Keep a secure email and phone available for verification codes. This preparation helps prevent delays and makes submission quick and stress-free for your records. Work through the form step by step, entering zeros where appropriate and following each prompt. Use the review screen to confirm names, taxpayer ID, and contact details are correct before signing. Choose electronic signature and submit the return. Wait for a confirmation number on screen. Download the receipt or take a screenshot and save it securely. If you receive any verification emails, keep them with your tax records.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.